Hello, welcome back to our channel. So, today we will be understanding how to do accounting and bookkeeping for the environmental service industry. So, here are the topics that we're gonna cover today. So, let's start with the first topic, which is revenue and income tracking. So, to maintain a detailed records of all the revenue sources, like including contracts, service fees, grants, and subsidies, to ensure that each income is accurately categorized and recorded in the appropriate accounts for the proper documentation and organization for the essential for the financial transparency and the compliances. Second, expense management. To track all the expenses related to the operations of the environmental service businesses, including employee salaries, equipment cost, maintenance, permits, and regulatory compliances expenses. This ensures the accurate documentation and categorization of each expense in the appropriate accounts for the financial transparency and effective management. Third, accounts payable and receivable. To maintain an accurate records of outstanding invoices from the suppliers and the payments to be made. Similarly, the trade invoices sent to the clients and the monitor accounts receivables for the timely payments. This ensures the precise documentation and organization to facilitate the effective financial management and cash flow monitoring. Fourth, payroll and employees record. To ensure accurate and timely payroll processing, including the deduction, taxes, and benefits. To maintain a detailed records of all the employees' hours, salaries, and any additional compensation. For the proper documentation and regularly audits are essentials to ensure the compliance with the regulations and to provide the transparency for both employees and the organization. Fifth, asset and equipment description. To keep a track of all the depreciation of assets and equipments used in the business, as is the impact tax liability and the financial statements. This maintain a detailed records of all the purchase dates, cost and depreciation schedules to ensure the accurate reporting and the compliance with the accounting standards. Regularly review and updates this record. Sixth, tax compliances. To stay up to date with the tax regulations specific to the environmental service industry, including the environmental impact assessments and available for the tax credit for the incidences. Regularly review changes in the liabilities to the ensure compliances and maximizing the financial benefits. To keep the detailed records and the consult with the tax professional to maintain the accurate and advantage reporting. 7. Cash flow management. To monitor the cash flow to ensure for the sufficient funds are available to the cover operational expenses, debt obligations and investment needs. Regularly reviewing the financial statements and forecasting the maintaining to clear understanding of the cash inflow and outflows. Implementing the effective cash management strategies to ensure the financial stability and the support business growth. 8. Regulatory and compliance records. To maintain our records related to the environmental regulations and compliances, including the permits, inspection, and the remediation efforts. This is the crucial in the environmental service for the industry to ensure the legal standards for the proper documentation helps to avoid the fines, support regulatory audits, and the assumption and the company's commitment to the environmental responsibility and sustainability. So, here are some KPIs that are commonly used in the environmental services industry to measure the performance and the track success. First is revenue growth. To measure the year-over-year increase in the revenue to measure the business growth and to market demand for the environmental services. Regularly analyzing these metrics to identify the trends, adjust strategies, and to ensure the continued success and the profitability. Second, client retention rate. To calculate the percentage of clients who continue to use your service over a time, high client retention indicates the satisfaction and loyalty, which helps us to ensure the steady revenue and providing the insights for the improving service quality and client relationship. Third, profit margin. To calculate the percentage of a client who continues to use your service over a time, high client retention indicates the satisfaction and loyalty, helping to ensure the steady revenue and providing the insights for the improving service quality and the client relationship. Fourth, project pipeline. To track a project volume and the value in the pipeline to evaluate the future revenues for the potential and to optimize the resource allocation effectively. Fifth, employees' productivity. To assess the workforce for the effectively through the analysis of the revenue per employees for the project completion rates to optimize the operational effectiveness and to resource allocation. 7. Environmental impact metrics. For the depending on your service to monitor the metrics like waste, diversion rates, to emission for the reduction, or to resource for the conservation to track the environmental impact for the reduction of efforts effectively. 7th, to monitor safety performance. To monitor the safety indicates which nearly misses and the safety training for the completion rates to uphold a secure work environment for the employees and to ensure the compliance with the regulatory standards. 8th, customer satisfaction. To gather a client feedback and assess satisfaction through the survey or review to pinpoint areas for enhancement and to ensure the continuous improvement in the service delivery. 9th, compliance and the regulatory. To track the compliance with the environmental regulations and the permits to alleviate the risk of the fines and the penalties, to ensure adherence to legal standards for the environmental responsibilities. 10th, cash flow ratio. To evaluate the metrics such as the quick ratio and the current ratio to gauge the company's liquidity and to capability to fulfill the short-term financial commitments effectively. So, thank you so much guys. I hope this video will help you and see you at our next video. Bye bye.